Welcome back to the Better Way to Get Away awning tutorial. Right, so what we have here, we have a global awning. So we'll go through how we're going to pull them out. We don't have any anti-flat kits on this, all right? So we'll mention that, but we're not going to show you how we use them, all right? Because it's not set up. So first thing we want to do is we want to pull this up on the arm, and there's a little dial on the back of this we want to do undo. Both of these arms are exactly the same. So whatever we do to this one, we must do to this other one. So let's come over here. I'll close this door just so it's not in our way down the track. We're going to pull this up. We're going to undo the little dial down here. Once we've done that, both arms are unlocked and ready to go. So what we do is we come up the top here and there's a little spring. You see this? We pull this down with the awning arm. Pull that down, it's now in the open. You see it says close, open. When it's in the open position, it's always going to want to come out this way. So we grab our awning rod. You get this with every van. We're going to come up here, flick it over there, and pull this straight out. So we're going to pull this all the way down, like so. All right, we just leave it like this. We don't need this for now. We're going to pull these arms until they click in. So you hear that? And now we can do this up. So do this little knob up. Now there's two ways when you go from here. You can either pull this up, like so, or we can actually detach it from the caravan. So I'm going to show you this side. We're going to detach this side from the van. So you pull it down like so, just like that. Now you got to be mindful whenever you pull this out like this, and if there's a strong wind of gust, if there's a strong gust of wind, it's going to rip this up and go over the van. Okay, it's a big sail, so we've got to be very mindful to tie this down. You can buy proper awning tie downs, so be mindful we do that. All right, it's important right now, if a wind comes, it's going to fly over there. On the other side, we do exactly the same thing. Beecher. We're going to push this up, lock that in. We're going to do this up. And now, for this one, we're just going to leave this attached to the van. So you can pull this, just like so. Okay, so you can see now the awning's at a height the whole way through. Now one thing, actually we are going to detach this because I need to show you another part of this. So when we have it out like this, you can see the awning is not tight. Now there's two reasons. One you can pull, well there's two ways to fix it. One's correct, one's not. You can see this here, we can pull this out so it's nice and tight, but we don't want to do that. We want to leave this loose for now. Because if you come over here and have a look, say you made this nice and tight and it starts raining, water's going to pull in that seam there and then it's going to come on the inside of the awning. So we need to flick this around the other way. So we're going to come over here. So what we want to do here, we want to get this line where this slides to be facing the caravan. And that will make sure the stitching's on the other side of the roll. So all we do, we just take the pressure off like so, flick it over, get it so the line's facing the caravan, flick that back, okay? And now you'll see this is nice and tight for number one, but also where the seam is now on the other side of the roll. So if it rains, water doesn't pull on the inside. Now if you've got anti-flat kits and things like this, this is when we put them in. Super simple, we have holes already pre-drilled for you and two curved rafters that sits it up. It just stops any flapping like this. So what do we have to remember? Tie it down straight away, put some pegs down there, and that way it's not going to fly up. Another thing to think of is if it is going to storm coming up, you want to put the awning away straight away because there's no point trying to do it when it's windy. It's going to be too late. Little things like that we just got to be mindful of. Now, how do we pack it up? Packing up is very simple. All we do is we're just going to pick this up. Going to put this in there. Then simply undo that dial there. Push this down. You can either pull it down here and that's just going to come and go in like that. That's all we have to do to this side. And then same thing on this side. Pull that up, put that in, undo the dial, pull that down, and it's ready to be now rolled all the way up. All right, make sure all our arms are down on the little nut down here. Grab your awning rod because you're going to need that. And then simply get this somewhere in the center. The more center, the better. All right, obviously I can't go too far because there's only just one of me. And all we do here, you take the pressure off and just look over here. We're just going to flick that up. Now it's going to roll in. And as you can see, which is an important thing to think of, this will not pull back out. So if there's just yourself and you don't have one of these, as you roll this up and you get to a point that you can't hold it any longer, you can't pull this out and you're going to have to let it bang against the van. You don't want that to happen. So that's why we have one of these, and you can just let it go in, just like so. And then for traveling, all we do, you just come down here, flick them in, do the knob up, and we'll do the same on the other side. Lock them in, do that up, and we do not touch that spring again. So whichever way it rolled up is where we leave it for traveling. Because if you think, awning's only gonna try and go into the van right now, which is how you want. In case something happens, it won't roll itself out. So always leave it just like that. And to pull it out, you gotta flick that down.